shoulder blades together, open your chest, and then walk your hips forward a little bit until you feel a good stretch in the deltoids, the front side of your shoulders. And then we will hold here for 30 seconds. Let's go from now. Maybe each exhale, you walk a little bit further forward. I know this is hard on the beginning. And then start circling your shoulders around. And if you feel like that this is hard or you don't have as much mobility as you like to have, you come back